right, hi everybody. So we're here at the Randall Museum and we have a couple of raised beds here. We are at one of the emergency daycare centers for the city of San Francisco, and we had two boys here last week who were brothers who were here to, we just took them out, we brought them outside so they could have some outside time, and they planted these kale last week, and then they were harvesting some broccoli. So we had some broccoli heads that needed to be utilized, so we totally gave it to them to take home to eat. And then we have another kale here that I'm just going to add to the mix. So I'm trying to find a good spot here. I'll put it in between here. We have some artichokes and sunflowers and lupin as well in this bed, and so it's a good, nice little diverse mix. And we're just going to add some more kale to get some food going and being able to harvest from that. So let me just get these. We just loosen this up a little bit and just pull it out, and it's got a good root system on it, so I just pull that out a little bit so it'll encourage it to grow into the soil. And then I just dig in there and put that inside here, and then put it around and fill in the airspace around there so it doesn't dry out on the roots. We had a good rain yesterday, so that's really nice moist soil right now. So it's a little bit close to the other plants, but I think it'll be okay. We should be able to harvest it good, and we'll see what's successful and what's not. So this is a good